Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Trick channel. In this video we want to show you how you can use Adobe Photoshop for free and without installing the program. If this video was useful for you, please don't forget to subscribe our page. First of all, search Photopea on internet. Photopea is a web-based raster graphic editor used for image editing, making illustration, web design, or converting between different formats. Photopea is advertising supported software. It is compatible with multiple browsers including Opera, Edge, Chrome, and Firefox. Let's start. Click on your Photopea, the first link. The first page shows that is advertising and support many formats. As you see, that is the environment of the Photopea. That is supported PSD, XD, Sketch, PDF, XCF, RAW, and any image formats. I create a new project. Then that is amazing. You can see many template, for example social media template, YouTube profile, YouTube cover, Instagram story, Facebook group. That is print A3, A4, A5, B4, B5, and that is for your photo, and that is for your screen. That is support 4K screen. And for your mobile, iPhone 6, iPhone 5, and iPad Pro, and that is for your advertising, for example billboard, wide skyscraper, and your square. And now I open a new image that show you can edit your image easily. And you can export it as PSD, PNG, JPEG, and any format you like. The second website that it is for editing pictures is Pixlr. Pixlr is a video editor online. That is Pixlr website that you can use it. Smart tools, faster editing time, easier content, smart with X, advanced suite. Advanced Pixlr. At first you can load the URL, or you can open image. I open image. Now you can see that you can edit your image with amazing tools and smart tools, and this software is amazing. These two websites is really useful for editing photo. And thank you for your us, and don't forget to subscribe our page. Thank you. Bye.